Good morning, it is truck build day 40 and we're pretty much done. So today I just got a little bit of painting to finish off, a couple of shelves to put in, and then I'm just going to reseal my floor and my bench tops, and then we're just sitting here waiting for the gas fitter. So day 40 I'm going to call the build done and dusted, and then I'll bring you another update once all of our possessions are in and the gas fitter's done his thing, and that once the gas fitter's done his thing then I can give you a final budget. But yeah, it looks like I know it's only the morning of day 40, and I'll make content today on the build because I'm fitting shelves and stuff, but nothing too riveting. And then that's it. We're just waiting for gas now. So 10 days late and about $3,000 to $4,000 over budget, and the truck is done. So we're just, like I said, just waiting for gas. But hopefully that'll be done in a few days, and we'll be back into travel mode, which actually we've got to go back to work to pay for the pay for the truck because the bus hasn't sold yet. But that is the plans. We've got some work lined up, so we'll sort of meander south down the central coast area again, not central coast, north coast area again, for work after we finish here, and put some more money in the bank to top up from this spend. Morning of little fiddly jobs. I've put my two little pocket shelves in here. I think I'll put my little plant. My friend Leanne gave me a plant when we set off in bus life for my bus warming, and I've been carrying it around Australia with me, a little water plant. So I think my Leanne plant will go up there, and then a little pocket here. I think they come up quite nice. Also popped one on this side beside my computer, where I can put my travel diary and my glasses, and that's my truck build receipt pile over there at the moment. It won't live there, but it's there for now. And then down this end, just popped a similar one up there beside where the Starlink cords and things. Get on the bed and get a little bit closer for you. So one here is just got the Starlink, hides ugly Starlink box and the lead for the air conditioner, but I'll fold all this cable up nicely and it'll go down there somewhere where you can't see it as well. And then little bedside table for me. I have the same in my bus. It'll fold down, so you put your wine glass or your phone or your TV remote there, and then when you don't want it you can just fold him back up, blends in. But yeah, I have a bigger version in the bus. It's been very handy over the last few years. So, and that's all my little fit jobs for this morning. Now I've just got to get on with some painting and staining, but I think coffee first, and the weather, hopefully the weather holds because it's a bit miserable outside, but we'll see how we go. Styling wise, I'm going to endeavour to keep this wall very clean and neutral. Actually, I'm going to try to keep the whole area not fussy. Any clutter can just be up on these shelves. So I hate seeing clutter and I hate moving things to get to things. So styling will be quite minimal. Comfy cushions and throws in ochres and rusts colour, maybe caramels, but keeping it all quite minimal, especially on this splash back wall. I don't think we need anything cluttering there. I don't even like where that knife block's gone. I might pull it off and put it somewhere else, but I don't really know where you put it. Maybe I just have to put my knives, my smicky knives in a drawer, but I don't actually like it there. I thought I would like it there, but I don't. So it's got to go. Rightio, it is about 3:30 on the 40th day of our truck build, and we are completely done and dusted apart from the gas fitter, who should be here in like a few days. But I've just varnished all the floors and the benches and finished all the paint and everything. I can't take inside because I've literally just varnished all the floors for the third time, so they're nice and shiny, and we are done.